Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this iPhone case from Torras. And so I do want to thank Torras for actually gifting this to me. And so this is going to be specifically designed for the iPhone 17 Pro. And so how this case works is that it's a simple silicone case, but it is really sturdy. And so with it, you do have the button for the camera on the side here. You also have a button for the power button over here. On the side, you do have more inserts for the volume up and volume down button. And then you also have a kind of side portion here, which works well for the silencing button as well. Now, the back portion is going to allow you to see through and also allow portable charging or touchless charging. And then this portion here is going to make it so that all the cameras are visible on this case as well. So overall, I'd say that this is a great case and it's going to be MagSafe, it's going to be shockproof, it's going to be sturdy. And with it, if you're looking for a case for iPhone 17, definitely check this out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.